Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to load the balance in Etisalat in 2026. So whether you have a physical scratch card or you want to use your phone to pay instantly, these are some of the updated 2026 methods that will get you topped up in just a few seconds. So the most traditional way is using a recharge card or e-voucher. Once you have your card, you just have to scratch the back of it in order to reveal the pin. After that, you need to open your phone's dial pad. Over here, you need to type *120*. Then you need to simply type your pin. After that, you need to press hash. So after doing this, simply tap on this call button. So as soon as you do this, you will receive a confirmation SMS immediately. For a faster digital experience, you can also use the e&UAE application. For that, you need to open your application. Over here on the home page, tap on the option of quick pay and recharge. So you can basically choose the top up of your own number and someone else's in 2026 using the app, often going to give you a 15% to 20% bonus credit if you recharge AED 10 or more. If you don't want to log in, you can also use the quick pay feature on the Etisalat website. You just have to simply enter your mobile number and the amount that you want to add. You can pay securely using your Apple Pay, Google Pay, or any of the debit or credit cards. The balance will be added to your account the moment the payment is confirmed. So these are some of the methods with the help of which you can do it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.